So you're just wiggling them in there?
Careful not to twist up the dust seals when you install. Kind of wiggle them till the holes line up. And take your bolts. And we'll apply a little bit of Loctite. To the bolts so the nuts don't fall off.
So you're using blue Loctite and a red Loctite bag, right? Tube.
Yes, blue Loctite in a red container. I don't know why. Hey. Oh no. Use a .3mm Allen wrench. Three.
Is it important that you do it that way instead of screwing it in the other way?
It is important because if you'll see on the inside of the frame, it's a concave design, so the head of the bolt fits nicely flush in there, and the other side doesn't have that.
You want to torque it down with a torque wrench. What's the torque spec on that?
The horse links are 9 foot-pounds, and the main pivot is 17. Get out the trusty torque wrench. Go to 9 foot-pounds. Find my 8mm socket and my adapter. Hold one side with the Allen wrench. Tighten it. Get it snug, and then we'll use the torque wrench. And yes, these will not flop around. This is normal for the turners that have some resistance. And the bushings, because of their tight tolerance,